In this second lesson, we'll add some depth to the tire of the wheel as it is very flat to look at now. With the blend feature in the program, we can make the tire look like they are bulging outward. Start by locking the rim layer. Then select the two tires, the light one and the dark one. Then select Object menu, Blend, Make. Select the Object menu, Blend Options, and here under Specified Steps, you can see there are 104 steps in the blend. That are copies. We only need around 25. Okay. We continue with the wheel. Make the layer rim invisible. Click on the drawing layer and add a new layer above it and call it blend. Like that. Select the circle tool or ellipse tool and make a circle in the usual way by clicking the center Alt option at 32 mm. Okay. This has the stroke color and the size is only half a point on the stroke. Select the scissors tool and click in the 9 o'clock position and then in the 3 o'clock position. And delete as is actually the bottom part of the circle. Like that. Select the stroke and then make a copy and paste it back. Then select the Direct Selection tool, click on the upper point and move it upwards like that. You can make it a bit wider by dragging the handles a little bit. Select both circles, half circles, and Object menu, Compound Path, Make. It is now one shape, as you can see when you swap to fill color. Set the color to what we are used to, tire, all in, like that. Though it's a shape now, it's not a closed shape, it's an open shape. You see that by selecting the Direct Selection tool and click and drag one of the points here, you can see it's not closed. We need to close it. Close the drawing layer, and then only the blend layer is active. Select the Direct Selection tool and drag across the 2 points over here, and then Object menu, Path, Join. Do the same with the other side. Object menu, Path, Join. Copy this shape, copy, and paste and back. Then use the Direct Selection tool to drag it a bit upwards. It can be difficult to see, but if I change the color to red, I can better see what I'm doing. Select the eyedropper tool and pick up the wall start color. Then select both shapes and Object menu, Blend, Make. Now it's a blend. You can see in the Object menu in the blend or blend options, the number of specified steps set to 104. That's the default. That's way too many steps. 25 is sufficient. Okay. Next, we need a blend in the opposite side, and we can make that in a much easier way. Select the blend, and then the reflection tool, and Alt option click in the center, and set to horizontal, and copy. The same color, we need to change the bottom color. Select dark one there, and then eyedropper tool and click on the white. So that's made now. Make the rim layer visible again and unlock it. And lock the blend layer. Select the outer ring. It needs a stroke. Select the swatches color and then the rim lines only on the stroke. And set it to 0.5 point. Now you can better see the difference between the rim and the blend. The tire is finished and we can now move on to the center of the wheel. Open the Libraries panel and here you have the Creation spoke cross. But instead of just dragging to the page, right-click or control-click and select Place Copy and click on the page. Place that in the center, in the 12 o'clock position, just touching the reference lines. Select the Rotate tool, Alt, Option click in the center, and set it to 36 and copy, and Control D for command, duplicate like that, and the rim is finished.